Gigi has gotten a lot of flack. उनका जो demeanor है वो हंसते नहीं है. नासिर हुसैन जो है वो भी कह रहे थे it's brought a little smile on Gigi's face. Gigi को criticism मिलती है for the way he sometimes been, जो मुस्कुराते नहीं है. But nobody has done this. Nobody has won it as a player. Nobody has won it as a coach. And they say nothing shuts anybody up like success.
Absolutely, and he knows that it comes with the territory. If you are an Indian coach, then it will be your very, very dear friend, not an acquaintance. It will be a friend. He'll come, he'll walk along with you as because you will get criticized. So that criticism is going to be there. Gautam obviously is also taken over the team when India has actually gone through transition.
Correct.
And in all forms ना, अगर आप पिछले 2024 के विश्व कप के फाइनल को देखते हैं तो कप्तान चले गए, उसी दिन छोड़ दिया. जो भारत का सबसे जबरदस्त खिलाड़ी रहा है उसने छोड़ दिया. एग्जैक्टली. उसके बाद द प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच छोड़ के चला गया. उसके बाद रविंद्र जाडेजा छोड़ के चले गए. तो सडनली नाउ द ट्रांजिशन वाज इम्पोज्ड दैट नाउ यू नीड टू एक्चुअली चार्ट अ न्यू कोर्स. तो वहां पर गौतम गंभीर से टेस्ट क्रिकेट में भी वैसा ही हुआ है. एंड ओडीआई ट्रांजिशन में अगेन हैपन अंडर हिज गाइडेंस. वी डोंट नो 27 का वर्ल्ड कप. सो ही अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट these are transitions are never easy. They come with some amount of pressure and challenges of various kinds. And Gautam Gambhir is also that kind of a character, that feisty character who's always very in your face kind of approach. He will attract and draw extreme reactions. So either you like him or you hate him. There is no way you're going to ignore him. सो वैसे तो कोच है, बैकरूम स्टाफ का हिस्सा है, इतना क्यों फोकस कर रहे हो यार. पर गौतम गंभीर जो है, क्योंकि गैरी कर्स्टन को उतना फोकस नहीं था जब 2011 में हम जीते तो इसी मैदान पे जीते थे वानखेड़े में. सो एवरीबॉडी से हाँ गैरी कर्स्टन, बट दैट्स वेयर द कन्वर्सेशन अबाउट गैरी कर्स्टन एंड्स. टीम तो उन्होंने भी बनाई होगी, चलाई होगी, पर Gautam is that kind of a character who will not fly under the radar. He's not your stealth aircraft fifth generation. वो सामने है बिल्कुल.
और ये बरसते भी हैं.
सर ये बिल्कुल ये रडार हर बार कैच करता है इनको.
No coach, probably at least Indian setup में who has won 2 ICC trophies, Champions Trophy already नाम कर चुके हैं. And now a T20 World Cup beckons. This Sunday we're looking ahead, not just playing New Zealand, but winning again.
I mean, it's an unbelievable feeling. Obviously, playing in India, leading such a wonderful side, and World Cup happening in India, going to Ahmedabad, playing that final. I think it's a special feeling for all the boys.
Look, first of all, you don't go to defend anything. You go to win.
कब कोई टीम होम पे जीती नहीं है. That is a new challenge, new excitement which I have inside me.